Homes of this caliber in the Gainsborough Greens estate are rarely available in this market, but now's your chance. Go and check it out.
This spacious, family-friendly floor plan offers 4 bedrooms plus a study or optional 5th bedroom, light modern fittings throughout, and plenty of space for you and the family to call home.
Outdoors is completely low maintenance with plenty of space to sit back, relax and enjoy. We can't wait to show you this one. See you there.